this is about the training demo. Everybody knows the training demo, so I won't introduce it. No, for those who don't know the training demo, this is our tutorial module. It's an OSHIT core module, and actually it's a module project and also a test project, and a lot of documentation that teaches you to become an OSHIT core developer. So if you like to learn from code, then this is for you. This is only about development, not the user-facing parts of OSHIT core and basic concepts, or that little bit that's touched on too. But mostly you go there and you see a lot of code and even more documentation. So there's the training demo. It's an old module. It was there in the OSHIT 1 times. We have rewritten it for OSHIT core. We continuously update it. That's not the point. The point is that we have some simplification there. And this started from Mike's issue, but although nobody kind of vocalized it in such a succinct way, we got feedback over time that using the training demo is hard. Specifically, its context is hard to use because previously you had to use our open source OSHIT core extensions kind of parent project. So this one. This is an OSHIT core solution that includes all of the Lombiq OSHIT core related projects as submodules, and it also uses Node.js for client-side builds and linting and whatnot. So if you want to contribute to Lombiq stuff, then you need this, but you also need this setup here. And this actually links to other projects where there's also some setup steps. Primarily where people really stumbled was the Node.js setup. For various reasons, Node.js setup is always hard. It shouldn't really be, and well, they also have that documented, but still, unless you start from a newly installed Windows or Linux and you follow these religiously, you might get issues. So a lot of setup needed just so you can work with the training demo module, but not anymore. So stemming from this, I simplified the training demo a lot, and now the whole thing is here. So if you clone this repository, or you can actually just download the source code as well, it doesn't matter because it doesn't use submodules, Git submodules anymore. You get this. You get a full solution with a web application, which is an OSHIT core using web app. And here we have the actual training demo module and the mentioned test module, test project, and all the related documentation and whatnot as well. So now you just need to hit F5 or Control F5 here. Well, if it actually works. And on the first request, no other setup, dependencies, whatever needed, just .NET. I'm using Visual Studio here, but Visual Studio is not needed either. You can do this from the .NET CLI, or you can use another IDE or whatever else. And when you start the application, auto setup runs with the recipe to demonstrate some things in the training demo, which was there previously as well. And that's it. So from now on, you can follow the tutorial, which actually starts here, and this start learning here. Start learning here Markdown file, and go through the training sections, either in order, if you start from scratch, or if you are looking for something specific, like I have never done static resource management before or permissions before, then you can just go there directly and start from that topic. So that's it. This should happen. This should help OSHIT core newcomers a lot. So no more setup needed, no more jumping through hoops. if you want to learn about OSHIT Core, you can learn about OSHIT Core. You don't need to learn about Node.js or PowerShell or whatever else.
Great job. It's definitely much easier for newcomers to just run that project and follow instructions than having to monkey around with dependencies. So thank you for doing that.
Awesome.
Thank you very much, Sultan. Thank you. I appreciate it. Thanks.
Thanks.